Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to make this glitter letter in Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to use the bloom effect to create shiny glitters and how to set the gradient map to adjust the color of your glitters. You will need two brushes from the Creative Vault that contains all the brushes I create for my Procreate tutorials. You can get it for free thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We're going to set the background color. Go to your Layers panel and tap the background color layer. Then choose the black color. For the letter shape, I'm going to use this sketch that I made beforehand. You can make your own or use mine by downloading it below this video. Take this brush from my brush set and select a light color. Then cover your sketch with this glitter brush. By the way, once you find the right size for your brush, tap the plus button on your brush size slider to lock in the brush size you are using. Once you are done, hide or delete the sketch. Grab this brush. We are going to make the glitter effect more realistic by adding glitters, like in real life, where the use of glitters can be a bit messy. Use the brush by following the outline of your letter. Now, we will use the bloom effect to add glitters that light up. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Bloom. Slide to the right to see how the effect applies on your layer. For me, at 40% you can really see the effect. The first setting we are going to adjust is the size. This changes the size effect around each glitter. I would advise you to use a small size. Here, 10% seems pretty good. Now, let's adjust the burn. This word is borrowed from the photography language. It's when the light is locally too strong. As a result, the area of the image becomes all white. So you can adjust the light strength on your glitter by adjusting this slider. And finally, you may have noticed that some glitters react to the effect and others do not. To adjust the number of glitters that react to the effect, you have to adjust the transition slider. The lower the transition, the more the darker glitters will be taken into account. Now, let's choose the colors of your glitters by using Gradient Map. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Gradient Map. You can try the gradient maps already available. If you want to create your own, tap the plus button. Then tap in the middle of the gradient and choose your color. I advise you to choose the classic mode and put the cursor in this area to get a nice saturated and bright color. Then use the slider below to determine the exact color you want. Tap with your finger on your canvas, then tap Preview to see the difference between the original version and the new one. When you are satisfied, you can tap Apply. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to around 50%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to around 5%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise Layer, and slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a course called The Glitter Lettering to help you master this effect in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!